Hey, how's it going? If you've been subscribed to my channel for quite a while, you know that I make all kinds of content. And one type of content that I make is programming tutorials. If you go to my channel now, you will not find any of the programming videos that I made. What's up with that? Well, don't worry, because those videos are not gone from the YouTube. They've just migrated channels. So I am very happy to announce my new channel, which I am calling Rytis Codes. If you have subscribed to my channel for programming content, I encourage you to subscribe to my new channel, which you can find by typing rytis.codes in your browser or by clicking the subscribe button at the end screen. Now, the reason why I'm doing this channel split is because I've noticed that my programming videos are impacting my analytics negatively. Anytime that I upload programming videos, my viewership tends to drop. And it really makes sense when you think about it, because if the channel is too broad and somebody subscribes for one topic, they're not going to be interested in another topic. Hence why I am splitting the channel. Before you unsubscribe this channel, I'd like to ask you to just give it a shot, because this channel is going to be focusing more on creating stuff, electronics, woodworking, and it's going to be an overall maker channel. I'm also going to be doing gear unboxings because those videos seem to work very well. But with that said, subscribe this channel, subscribe the coding channel, and let's get creative.